7 ways to make her beg for your attention once again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jovia for those watching for the first time. And on this channel we always talk about relationships, love and sex. Let's dive into today's topic: 7 ways to make her beg for attention once again. Number 1, give them space. When your partner tries to distance themselves from you, allow them, give them the space they want. Don't overcall them, don't text, allow them to enjoy that free space without you, to get that time to do their own stuff, to enjoy what they want without you. In that way they'll be able to miss you, feel missing your presence, miss your attention and everything about you. Number 2 is focusing on self-improvement. In that process, when what you always got to do is focusing on yourself, focusing on making yourself a better version of yourself, by doing what you love most, by trying out new activities, trying to achieve your goals, trying out your personal hobbies, going out on different places that you've always wanted to go to. In that way it will give you some peace of mind, you'll feel okay. Number 3 is reflecting on your actions. It's a very important thing to assess yourself, see where you went wrong, what made this person lose interest in you, going through, trying to assess your manners or behaviors, where you went wrong exactly. That will help you a lot, because knowing where you went wrong, it will really help you get to know where to start from, to improve, to make yourself better. If you're this kind of person who took your partner for granted, who never cared, never gave them the attention, or if at all you did so, it will be able to help you change in certain ways where you went wrong. Number 4 is being patient. Being patient is a very important thing in rebuilding or gaining connection with your partner. Staying patient is very important. So understanding that it takes time for your partner to trust you again is very important. So always be patient in the process. That will help you a lot, because it takes time for someone who lost trust in you, who lost interest in you, to gain that interest and trust again. It takes time, so always be patient and understanding. Number 5 is being consistent. Being consistent is a very important thing in rebuilding, in gaining trust and rebuilding a connection with your partner. Being consistent in the positive changes that you've made, the improvements that you've made. Show consistency in the things that you've been able to change. If you're this kind of person who was a drunkard, who would always be in clubs or doing such bad behaviors, show consistency in your changes, in your positive changes. Maintain it. Show that you've truly changed, you've literally become a better person. Number 6, be a good listener. One of the best things to do in order to make her beg for your attention once again is being a good listener. Whenever you get a chance, all the time, to talk to your partner, talk to her, always pay attention to her when she's talking to you or she's trying to communicate something. Be attentive closely pay attention to her, to whatever she has to say, her thoughts, her emotions. That in that way, paying attention and giving her all the attention she needs while talking to you, it will create a space of open communication. She'll feel safe to communicate and to be able to communicate freely with you. So always when you get the chance, talk to her. Be a good listener. Number 7, reach out to them sincerely. After a reasonable period of time, when you think that you are ready to reconnect with your partner once again, reach out to them in a sincere manner. Try to show them, apologize for your mistakes where you had gone wrong, and assure them that you have completely changed and you are going to be a better person from the past person. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. It's my pleasure always have you, and don't forget to comment, like and share this video if you find it very interesting and educative. Share it to your loved ones, friends and family, and click on the notification button to be able to be notified on anything I upload.